I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home Design magazine, and I want to thank you for listening to Talking About a Home show on the radio. Today's radio show is coming to you from 84 Lumber at 704 Johnny Dodds Boulevard in Mount Pleasant, and we're very proud to have 84 Lumber on board as one of the sponsors of the Charleston Home Design Show, which is coming up April 26th and 27th. At Family Circle Stadium on Daniel Island. And now we're talking with Phil Spitz with 84 Lumber. How you doing, Phil?
I'm doing good.
Good. Phil, take a moment and tell everybody about 84 Lumber.
Well, 84 Lumber is the largest privately owned building materials, distribution of building materials company in the United States. We supply dimensional lumber, doors, windows.
Just about everything for the home.
Yeah, anything for the home. We do a lot of remodeling in Mount Pleasant. There's lots of people, as spring approaches, they want to build decks. They want to do remodeling to their houses, to kitchens, cabinets, whatever it may be. That's really our main clientele in this market.
Good deal. Yeah, and this is not the first time that we've done the radio show here from 84 Lumber. 84 Lumber has been a sponsor of all three of our different home shows in the past. And one thing I always mention when I'm here is 84 Lumber, you folks were kind of the original lumber yard in Mount Pleasant, right?
Yes, sir, we were.
When I moved here in 1990, it was 84 Lumber, and I think there was a national lumber place up in North Charleston, and then the couple of the independent places here in town. But yeah, 84 Lumber, you folks have had quite a run here, and you've got roots here in the Mount Pleasant community.
Yes, sir. We're a pretty constant mainstay. There's 252 84 Lumbers nationwide, so we have a pretty strong buying clout when it comes to our suppliers and what we're able to get and bring in, and the prices. That tends to help us out a lot.
Sure. One of the things that I think people are maybe not completely aware of is the variety of products that 84 Lumber sells, and I mean really just about anything inside and outside the house. Flooring, for example, that's not necessarily something that people would think to come to 84 Lumber, but you folks have got a great display over here with wide plank hardwood floors that are hand scraped. Talk about that.
Yeah, we carry, people think 84 Lumber may just carry lumber, and that's not the case. We carry a variety of products, whether it's hardwood floors. We carry like the Impression series, the Hallmark series. We can do interior, we can do exterior type stuff. We carry, a lot of the doors we carry Plus Pro Therma-Tru doors. They're fiberglass doors. We do custom doors, custom mahogany French doors, trim, windows. We carry very structurally well-built windows. They're high-impact window units. A lot of them are rated for this area due to the weather conditions, hurricanes. So it's a wide range of products. We also offer a lot of installation. Composite decking, siding, windows, interior doors and trim, roofing, storage sheds, treated decks. We offer installation on a lot of these products as well. So it's not for just the big contractor, the big builder. We do in person with homeowners, people doing small renovations, small projects, and we deal with them a lot. So it's not we don't want people to think, oh, we're just going to supply lumber to you. We have a wide variety of products, and we're always more than happy to let people come into the showroom and show them what we have and what we have to offer and what we can get to them.
So 84 Lumber, you folks work directly with contractors, but you also work directly with homeowners. I've seen a lot of homeowners in here whenever I've stopped in.
Yes, sir. We work with homeowners on a daily basis, whether you're new to it, you've never done a remodeling, or whether you've done quite a few. We can help you out. We can get you the information you need, the product knowledge you need, and really help you do a takeoff on your own and accomplish your remodeling job or whatever job you may be interested in. And if you need help doing it, we can also assist you. We can get contractors out there who can help you. So we offer a lot of different services besides just selling you some lumber.
How many people work here at the Mount Pleasant 84 Lumber?
In the Mount Pleasant store, we have a manager, a co-manager. We have a couple MTs, and we have about 5 or 6 outside salesmen.
Gotcha. and then you've got some.
We've also got some guys out in the yard who manage building loads, loading trucks, and we have a few drivers as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the 84 Lumber here in Mount Pleasant, it's a good sized facility. You've got a big lumber yard out back, but it's not one of these sprawling big box stores. Yeah. And what's the difference, I guess, between 84 Lumber and the experience that homeowners will have coming here at 84 Lumber versus maybe one of the big box places?
Sure. You come to an 84 Lumber, compared to maybe a Lowe's or a Home Depot, you're going to get a lot better, customer service. We're going to deal with you on a first name basis. We want to get to know you. We want you to get to know us. We want to show you the materials you need, talk to you about what you're looking for, kind of talk to you about the project you're doing, so we can really help you find the best material that will last the longest, make you the happiest. And it's not like we're just trying to sell you on something that we have in stock. We're willing to go further to really build a relationship with you and with others that you talk to, people that you're going to be doing business with, or friends you might have that want to do remodeling projects. And so from A to Z, from when you walk in the door, we want to help you out. We want to figure out what your project is, how we can help you, what we can get you, and walk you through the process all the way from getting the materials for you, helping you load up the materials, and making sure at the end of the day that once you've completed the job that you're happy with it, and if there's anything we can do to meet your standards, we will do that. So
yeah.
You're not going to find that at a lot of the big box stores.
Sure. Yeah, and I can kind of just throw in my own 2 cents when I bought a house, bought a kind of a fixer-upper, didn't have a garage, and I came here at 84 Lumber, and 84 Lumber had these plans for garages, and so I don't even think you guys charge for the plans, but I got a set of the plans that had a whole list of the materials that were needed, and it ended up buying them from 84 Lumber. And the nice thing about it is, it was the entire garage building material package was delivered all at once, rather than if I didn't have a plan, I'm sure the contractor I hired would have been able to put something together, but it'd probably be a lot of constant trips to the lumber yard or several deliveries versus one delivery. So I had a great experience with 84
that's something that our corporate offices, our sales team up there in corporate, they have done. They went years ago, and they put together these packages, whether it's a deck package, a garage package, a pole barn, you're building really anything outside. It can be
decks, right?
Yeah, it can be that. They've put these packages together that they're going to give you all the materials you need. They're going to give you all the the screws, the nails, the different dimensions of wood. So you don't have to make the cuts. You don't have to decide on where do I go from here. It's going to give you step-by-step instructions of, this is how you use it. This is what you're putting together. And it makes it very easy for the do-it-yourselfer to really put something together. And it's going to save you a lot of money. You're not going to have to get a contractor. You're going to get everything wrapped into one package, and it's going to end up being a lot cheaper. And that's just another way. At 84, we're trying to go beyond some of these bigger box stores who they're going to just maybe sell you on one or two things. We're going to kind of give it all to you and really try to give you a personal experience with our products and what we can offer to you.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's true. And, another little thing that I bet people aren't aware of, we're sitting right near a nice kitchen display. You've got this nice kitchen cabinet display here, and people probably wouldn't think that they could go to 84 Lumber to buy their kitchen cabinets and countertops and so forth. But when you are doing a remodel project or something like that, it is a lot more convenient to be able to make all of those decisions right here in one spot versus going around from one showroom to another.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I mean, we don't want you to drive around and keep going from store to store. We like for customers to come in here, and you might be looking for a door to put on your house, a new door, and you might say, hey, at the same time, I see that you have these cabinets over here. I want to maybe redo some of them in my kitchen. And we have outside sales guys that specialize in certain type fields. So we have a guy who basically all he does is cabinets. All he does is kitchen remodeling. We have guys that mainly focus on windows and exterior doors and putting packages together. So there's a whole team of salesmen here who are very knowledgeable on the products, who've been in the industry for upwards of 20 years. And so no matter what it is for your remodeling, you can come to us and we can find someone who can help you out. And I think a lot of people are surprised by the amount of different things we carry in our store and what we can get supplied to us.
Yeah, hurricane shutters. I'm looking at these nice Bahama shutters and colonial shutters you have on a display right here, and just if you haven't visited the 84 Lumber here in Mount Pleasant, you definitely need to do that. And how can folks get in touch with 84 Lumber?
Well, you can get in touch with us a few ways. Obviously, we'd love for you to come by. We're located at 704 Johnny Dodds Boulevard. That's right off 17. Another good way would just to be to contact us. Our number is 843-884-8431. And we also with emails, we like to pass out cards and whatnot when you come in. Those will have our emails on them, but you can also just go to our website. It's 84lumber.com. And if you go to the website, there's everything that we offer, the installation packages we offer, our products, who our vendors and suppliers are. You can go on there. You can even go on our website and create your own estimates, and you can send them to us. You can quote it out yourself and prices and the materials you're looking for. And we're able to send that up to our sales team up in the headquarters, and they will work with you, and then they can send it back to our location. So we can really work with customers in our local area, and they can go online and really set everything up and then come to us with the prices and the materials they're looking for. So without a doubt, our website is a very it's a good source for us.
Very good. Well, we've been talking with Phil Spitz with 84 Lumber here in Mount Pleasant, and we're very proud to have the Mount Pleasant 84 Lumber on board as one of the sponsors of the Charleston Home and Design Show on Daniel Island. Thanks so much, Phil.
Thank you.